Hello, students. Ever wondered how India became a nation? Today, we are diving into nationalism in India. It's a fascinating story of unity and struggle. Let's get started. Now, what exactly is nationalism in India? It's all about the feeling of oneness and the desire for independence that swept through our country. It's super important for your CBSE exams, so pay close attention. Our first big topic is the impact of World War I. The war created economic hardship and forced recruitment, fueling anger against the British. Then, there was the Roll It Act, which allowed the British to arrest people without trial. This sparked massive protests, led by Mahatma Gandhi. Finally, the Jallianwala Bagh massacre was a turning point, shocking the nation and intensifying the call for freedom. What exactly was Satyagraha? Satyagraha means truth force. It's a non-violent method of resistance, emphasizing peaceful protests and civil disobedience. Gandhiji used it to fight injustice. Now, let's talk about different strands of the nationalist movement. In cities, the non-cooperation movement saw students, teachers, and lawyers leaving their schools, colleges, and jobs. But it slowly died down due to a lack of alternative Indian institutions. In the countryside, peasants, led by Baba Ramchandra, protested against high rents and taxes. They wanted land redistribution. Remember, different groups had different understandings and aspirations for Swaraj. Here's a key concept: Swaraj, self-rule or independence. It meant different things to different people. For some, it meant political freedom, for others, economic liberation. Now, let's delve into the civil disobedience movement. Gandhiji started it with the Dandi March, protesting the salt tax. People broke colonial laws and courted arrest. However, Dalits, or the untouchables, were initially hesitant to join due to Congress's lack of focus on their issues. Remember, mass participation was key to its success. Here's a key rule: collective action, unity plus shared goals. When people unite with a common aim, their impact is amplified. This was the engine of the freedom movement. One thing you must remember: nationalism is a complex and multifaceted phenomenon. Different groups interpreted it differently, and their participation was driven by their own needs and aspirations. Let's solve a typical exam question. Question: explain the Roll It Act. Answer: the Roll It Act allowed the British government to arrest and detain individuals without trial. It sparked widespread protests and was a key factor in the rise of nationalism. Let's look at a real-world example. Think about the Arab Spring. It was a series of pro-democracy uprisings in the Middle East and North Africa, fueled by similar nationalist sentiments. Here are some exam tips. Don't just memorize dates, understand the context. Pay attention to the different interpretations of Swaraj. Practice writing detailed answers. In summary, we learned about the impact of World War I, different strands of the nationalist movement, and the civil disobedience movement. All of this, AI notes, doubt solving, and practice tests for nationalism in India, is free on Synapse. Study smarter, not harder. Start free today at synapse.omups.in. Master Nationalism in India for CBSE. Please subscribe to our channel for more free lessons. Visit synapse.omups.in and start learning today.